Transform your fitness journey with our PLR fitness and exercise routine. First, set realistic goals, craft a plan for progress and lasting motivation. Second, outdoor variety, experience the joy of fitness in nature's embrace. Third, injury prevention, implement effective warm-up and cool-down routines for safety. Fourth, overcome plateaus, stay motivated with varied workouts and new challenges. Fifth, tech-enhanced fitness, monitor progress with wearable trackers and mobile apps. Sixth, empathy in relationships, connect on a deeper level with understanding. Seventh, effective communication, master I statements for open-mindedness and connection. Eighth, gratitude and love, foster a positive atmosphere with appreciation in relationships. Ninth, nonverbal cues, understand and use body language for emotional connection. 10th, emotional wellness, manage and express emotions constructively for healthy relationships. Revitalize your fitness routine and enhance your relationships now.